Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to review this small city electric vehicle. This is Mini Cooper S Electric. It's meant to be a city car, small go-kart electric vehicle which is very rapid, nippy and easy to park, easy to drive around the town. However, we are going to answer some other questions like, for instance, is Mini Cooper S Electric worth buying? Is Mini Cooper S Electric worth money? Is it a good car? Is it spacious inside? Or how big is the trunk? Is it a frunk available? How does child seat fit to the Mini Cooper S Electric? And how many spaces inside after mounting a child seat? So now let's get started from the trunk first and see how much we can put there. So as you can see, the trunk is definitely smaller than in BMW i3S. However, we can still put some suitcases over here like backpack and another bag. If you're missing the space here and something barely fits, you can move this back seat and then you have a holder down there. Then you have way more space and you can push your bags. Look how much space you have when you fold down the seats. And you have very nice flat floor to swipe the luggage. So now you can see how many bags you can put inside. I have very large suitcase over there. It fit very well. Also two bags, two suitcases you could see before and my backpack. And I still have some room to fill up. So now it's becoming quite spacious car. So what is under the hood? Yes, it was raining today. But as you can see, there is no frunk. There is no front trunk in the Mini Cooper S Electric. So if you're going on a trip and you want to park the car with the luggage, remember to take the cables outside or somewhere on the top of the luggage, because later on you might struggle to get the access to the cables. And that will be painful to take away all the suitcases, all the luggage to get the access to the cables. So in front is the motor. It's above 180 horsepower with acceleration above 7 seconds up to 100 kilometers an hour. It's not the easiest way to mount the child seat here, but if your child is above 2 years, 2.5, then it's easy for him or her to jump into the seat. So you can see how it looks like. But what is extremely important and clever to mention about, you have ISOFIX in front seats, built into the front seats. As you can see, this is the position when the child seat is mounted. I can say I can travel for a very short distances and commute from point A to B, but both my son and I wouldn't feel comfortable. It's a bit challenging, not much space. Sitting position in front is very comfortable for the short distances. I have enough of adjustment and enough of space for my legs and plenty of space above my head, because in this vehicle you are sitting very low, which is very cool when you're driving. Seats are extremely comfortable when you want to drive around the town. They hug you when you want to drive around the corners. There is not much space on the back of the car, but let's find out if I can fit there. Yes, I think it's not bad actually. Exterior quality is extremely well built and extremely cozy, like our car. We have head-up display known from other versions of BMW 225Xe Performance. It shows you the navigation directions and signs, speed limits and your speed. So I'm glad we have it in this car. Instrument cluster contain all of the information which we need, like what is the power we use from the electric motor, what's the status of the vehicle, what's the mileage, the battery status and how much range we have, and the temperature outside. The main computer shows us the most information which we need. One of my favorite is the weather, but we have everything known from the BMW iDrive system. And what is super cool, those lights are changing, depends from the options we might use or what car want to communicate with us. Car is equipped with dual zone climate control, so you can change temperature individually. We can also change the regenerative braking, strong or normal. And I actually like these levers or the knobs. They are really cool. As you can see, something left from the traditional cars, which is a gear lever, and I am not keen on that. I would suggest to just go for the lever behind the steering wheel, or maybe some small buttons. And now the cup holder test. So cup holders are not adaptive, but even then I can fit here my watermark. If the bottle, let's say, is too high, then you block these buttons. But nevertheless, you don't use them too much. The most important thing is that we can fit here a pretty large mark. You can also check backup camera. So how is to drive this car? And I must admit that there is no way you cannot like this car. It's so nice. I don't know how to explain it. It's like so cozy, so funny maybe in some words. It's something you need to like. The comfort of sitting is alright for short trips, and it's perfect for driving around the town. As a second car, this is perfect choice. Gives you a lot of fun from driving. It's so nippy and so fast and rapid, and you can fit on every parking spot, and you can fit every narrow, tight road in the town. It's so easy to park, to maneuver. It's very nippy. The seats hug you in the corners, so that's good. The quality material inside, it's very nice and good and high, in my opinion. Kind of feel expensive, and the designers did something with this car. Like, you can feel that this car has a soul, so you definitely want to drive this car around the town, and the acceleration score is very good, and at the same time car is very cheap to run, and that's one of the most important things. So I think as a second car, this is perfect choice. If you don't have a big family, or you are not taller than, let's say, 2 meters, you should feel good in this car. And this might work as a perfect second car. So the summary, very well done. Actually, I didn't expect this car to be so funny and good and nice to drive. So I'm a bit surprised. I need to say, I'm a bit surprised. It's worth to mention that this car has many small compartments to keep the things. The solutions are smart, like with this cover in the trunk, so you can lower it, raise it, or it's just staying in the position if you need it. You have these hangers for a net. You don't need more things if you are going to use this car every day to commute to work. There is one downside of this car, I need to say. That is, the power is transferred to the front wheels, front axle. If you are accelerating hard, that causes a spinning of wheels. But tell me how often you're going to speed up or accelerate hard in the town. I guess not many times. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment down below what's your favorite city car, and click subscribe button and notification bell, because very soon new videos are coming about the electric vehicles, and you will be notified and updated about the newest video. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.